How's it going, everyone? Ace here from MailerLite, and today we're diving into one of the best ways to stay connected with your audience, and that's building your email list. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything here. Building a high quality list takes time and creativity, to be honest, but with these 6 beginner friendly methods, you'll soon be able to turn your email lists into your greatest asset. So, first up, why should you even bother building your email list? Email marketing has an average ROI of 4,200%, making it one of the most profitable ways to connect with your audience. And if you ask me, that's pretty impressive. But wait, isn't it all about Instagram and TikTok these days? Well, not exactly. Here's the thing. Algorithms are constantly changing and evolving on these platforms. So from one day to the next, your reach can completely change. And let's not forget that you never really own your social profiles either. Your access is ultimately at the mercy of the platform. But an email list, well, that's actually all yours. It's direct, it's personal, and best of all, you control it. An email list lets you reach people on your terms, not some algorithms. So let's quickly run through what you need to get started. And don't worry, you don't need any fancy tech setups, just really a computer. You'll need essentially 3 things: an email marketing platform, sign-up forms, and a landing page, and also a reason for people to subscribe. If you're looking for an email marketing platform, MailerLite is a great all-in-one solution that includes easy-to-use sign-up forms, landing pages, and websites. And did I mention it's free? So if you are interested, just check out the link down below and you can sign up for free. All right, with that said, let's dive a little bit deeper into this. Embed and optimize sign-up forms on your website. According to HubSpot, 50% of marketers say that forms are their highest converting lead generation tool. Now, that doesn't mean your website should be plastered with forms. That's not what we're trying to do here. That would disrupt the user experience and just overall leave a bad taste in their mouth. And like I said, we don't want that. Embed forms in key places, like the top of the sidebar of your website, or in your footer, or at the end of a blog where it's less intrusive and visitors are more likely to convert. You can also test placing forms on your most popular pages. A good sign-up form should be clear about your intentions, simple with minimal text describing the benefits of subscribing, have a strong CTA, or AKA call to action. Be light on the form fields for a smoother sign-up process. You can always ask for more information later. Once you have your forms all set up, monitor their performance and see how many conversions they bring in. You can test out different copy in the headline, description, and CTA. You can also change colors, placements on your websites, and layouts. Tip 3, create website pop-ups that convert, not annoy. I know pop-ups have a bit of a reputation, but they do convert really, really well. In fact, according to BDOW, the average conversion rate of pop-ups is 3.09% or 9.28 for top performers. Compare that with 1.7 for embedded forms. So here's the trick. Make them friendly and make them timed. Instead of popping up the moment someone lands on your page or as frequently as a cable TV ad, for example, like, seriously, can I just watch my favorite show for more than 10 minutes without an ad? Anyways, you want to give visitors some time to get comfortable and display the pop-up only occasionally. A good approach is to only display these pop-ups on certain pages, check out the average time people spend on the page, and set your pop-up to appear slightly earlier before they leave. This gives visitors time to consume your content uninterrupted. And also, exit intent pop-ups can be very, very effective. And that means they will only appear when the visitor is about to leave your website and not before. And if you want to be as minimally intrusive as possible, sidebox pop-ups or floating bar pop-ups cover up less content on the page and gives you a little bit more room to work with for the visitor. You can get a little more creative with the pop-ups because they typically have more space to work with and there are fewer distractions to take away from the CTA as well. This is a big part of why these are so useful. Take this example from 99 Designs. It's eye-catching and super on brand with those awesome graphics. It uses simple, clear messaging describing exactly what subscribers get, and it uses a conversational tone of voice that connects with its audience. They even have a little joke in there which gives subscribers a sense of the brand's personality and the tone of the content that they'll be receiving. And finally, they've made the close button very easy to locate. Have you ever had a pop-up that obscures the close button? Yeah, me too. It's really annoying. Tip 4, add an opt-in box to your checkout page. This one right here is for all you e-commerce businesses. If a website visitor is at the point of checkout, congratulations, because it means they are already engaged and really like what you have to offer. So why not give them a chance to sign up for your newsletter? These types of signups are more likely to lead to conversions in the future because they've already shown an interest in your products, making it a very low pressure but potentially high impact tactic. But a word of advice, don't have the opt-in box checked by default. You want subscribers to sign up out of choice, not because they didn't realize that the option was there for them to opt out of. It'll leave a bad taste in their mouth, trust me. Also, include a short, enticing description about why they should subscribe. You can even add an incentive like a discount code or some other special offer. That usually works really, really well, especially if they're at the checkout page. Most e-commerce platforms actually have a setting that you can enable to show the opt-in option at checkout. And then from there, it's just a matter of connecting it to your email marketing software so that any customer who signs up there will be automatically added to your email list. Collect subscribers offline. Your audience is made up of real people, believe it or not, that you can actually find out in the wild, not just online. A lot of big brands do this at in-store checkouts, sometimes giving a free gift or a discount as an incentive for you to sign up. But even if you don't have a brick and mortar store, there are still plenty of opportunities to collect signups. You can do this at events, trade shows, markets, or conferences. You can just use a tablet, your phone, or even a sign-up sheet, like the old school way with the pen and a paper. Anyways, just make sure you get proper consent from them. The most efficient way to do this, use an app to collect subscribers that syncs with your email marketing platform. MailerLite actually has an app for exactly this purpose, and it makes offline signups super, super easy. Another option is to use a QR code that leads to your newsletter sign-up landing page, so people can simply scan it with their phone and sign up right away. In a pinch, you can just use a sign-up sheet just to make sure that people know what they are signing up for. And this is super important. Enable double opt-in for these subscribers. When you upload them to your email marketing platform, they'll get a verification email to confirm that they want to join your email list, giving you a digital record that they've actually opted in. Tip 6, start a referral campaign. Remember I told you that your email list is your greatest asset? Well, here is a prime example of that. A referral campaign or program is a kind of word-of-mouth marketing tactic that encourages your subscribers to promote your brand or newsletter and get signups for you. They work well because our brains are wired to trust the people closest to us. I mean, think about it. How many times have you bought something because a friend or even an influencer you like just recommended it? In fact, 88% of people trust recommendations from people they know more than any other channel. That's pretty powerful stuff. Take Morning Brew, for example. Have you heard of them? If you haven't, it's one of the most popular daily business newsletters in the world, thanks in part to its referral program. They grew their subscribers from 100,000 to 1.5 million in 18 months, with a referral conversion rate of over 85%. So here are 5 things to keep in mind when developing a referral program. For one, give incentives that will appeal to your audience. These could be freebies, discounts, or access to an exclusive community. Discount and money off vouchers work well and can lead to repeat sales of your products or services. And for 2, be clear in your communication. Highlight the benefits of your program and clearly communicate what people have to do to get the rewards, the limitations or conditions, and of course, how to get started. And 3, promote your referral program in your newsletter. Add it to a welcome series or just share it in your blog or anywhere on your social media. Just make sure it gets out there. Number 4, make sharing your newsletter or products easy by adding share buttons that stand out and including the referral's unique URL. It's really important. Number 5, you'll need to use a referral platform to run your program. Partnero, GrowSurf, and Rewardful are a few that work well with MailerLite. Create a lead magnet. We've all submitted our email addresses to gain access to a freebie like a discount code. Or at least I have. I mean, I'm a sucker for a discount code. Who isn't? Anyways, it works because it gives people a reason to hand over their precious contact information. And let's face it, those inboxes are looking a little crowded these days. With a solid strategy and proper planning, lead magnets can bring in a minimum of 1,000 signups a month. It's crazy, right? Online learning platform 100 Days of No Code gained actually 3,000 signups in just 10 days by offering a directory of apps. We actually did a case study on this too, and if you want to check it out, I'll put a link down below in the description. But trust me, when people see value, they're going to subscribe. Your freebie can be anything that resonates with your audience, like an ebook, a guide, a course, or a template. Let's say you are a personal trainer. You could offer a free 5K training guide. Or as a photographer, you could create a set of presets or filters. Or if you're a digital marketer, a step-by-step guide for creating an awesome email marketing funnel. These are all just examples. You can get creative with it as long as it resonates with your audience. When your lead magnet's ready to launch, the next step is creating a landing page with a sign-up form and description of the freebie highlighting the benefits. You can then link it to an automation that sends the lead magnet whenever someone submits their details. Don't worry though, it's not as complicated as it sounds. And we actually have a great tutorial about creating email automations that you can find here in this card. I'll also put it down in the description below. Now comes the fun part, distributing your landing page. Promote your lead magnet as much as possible, because if it can't be found, well, no one is going to download it, right? Optimize your landing page for SEO as well. Get it out on social media any chance you can, in online communities, blog posts, ads, collaborations with other creators, and platforms relevant to your audience. The possibilities are endless, but you really need to understand your audience's pain points and interest for this to have a really strong impact. What do they need or want that you can provide them that they can't get access elsewhere or that you can do better? To do this, listen to your audience wherever they are and follow trends specifically in your niche. You can then be the knight in shining armor, stepping in with your lead magnet to save the day. So there you have it, 6 proven ways to start your email list today. Not tomorrow, today. Soon you'll be swimming in subscribers before you know it. Also, remember you can sign up to MailerLite for free and access everything you need to get started. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And if you loved it, share it with a friend who may find it valuable. And also, if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss another video in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.